Hello guys, my name is Alessandro Monieri from EnGenius Networks Europe, and today I want to show you how can you simply update your access point with ezMaster with two different methods. The first one is one-click update and the second one is the bulk update. So for the one-click updates, it's really simple because if you press here on the symbol that you have some update need to be injected in our access point, you can select all and make update. So with a bulk update, you have to press on the project, going directly to the project, and you can go to the maintenance menu, bulk update, and here you have to upload the file to inject in our access point. It's really simple to download and upload here on the bulk update section. So first you have to visit our website engeniusnetworks.eu. This is a European website. Scrolling down and goes to the download section here below. So when you press here on the download section, you'll have a lot of menu on the left, and the first one is indoor access point. Press indoor access point menu and you will see a lot of model. So you have to select your model, in this case EAP 1300, and you can see now the file, the first one released on the 15th February 2020. This is the update. So we download the first one, and when the download is finished, we have to unpack this file. Okay, so now we back to ezMaster. The same maintenance, bulk update menu, upload file, select file from your computer, EAP 1300. 37.82. I select this and I make apply. So now the firmware is injecting in our ezMaster and it will be ready to inject in our access point. So now it's completed. So press OK and you will see the model below can accept the firmware. Okay, so basically I can select all model, or maybe I can select only for test, maybe two. But the best practice to do the firmware update is to first reboot all of your access point. When all access point it will come again online, you can inject the firmware on the access point that you need. Okay, so now all access point back online. Okay, we go back to maintenance, bulk update, and you can simply add for the bulk update firmware injection. So this procedure, it will take the time, depends how many access point you have. So no rush, you can simply close also ezMaster and let ezMaster manage this update. Make sure to do this update when nobody uses the wireless. Thank you for watching this video and see you into the next one. Bye bye.